It's Friday. We got an hour to kill. We got some big logs and we got a pond. Let's see if one floats for a lumberjack competition. Hell, I get in that water, won't you? Gotta keep my hanky. 100% cotton. Well, this don't get people to click on the button, they won't know. If it floats, I gotta try. If it don't float, we'll try one of them green ones. That bad boy right there, big log. You know, even if it does float, it might be so submerged that right there would be too shallow, so it will still be touching bottom, you know. So I feel like we should go down there to the deep end, so that way if it does sink like a stone, we don't have to look at it. It'll be under the water level. But if it does float above the water, it would be nice to be in water. If you fall off, you know, you don't go over your head. And worst comes worse, it'll just be fish habitat. This is probably a bad idea. Actually, I know this is a bad idea. It floats! That was awesome! Did you see that? That was awesome. Did you see that splash? Yeah, that was awesome. It had to float. It's floating because there ain't no way it would move like that. But I think, see all them air bubbles coming up? I think it's soaking up water. So she'll probably be buried by tonight. I got to get in there and get on it. If we had all that rain, there's some fresh water in there. It ain't completely toxic from cow waste. Well, that was awesome. Boy, if I ever needed some of those boat shoes, now's the time. Oh my God, come on now. This ain't the same if you don't eat the cheese with you. It's a beef stick. Let's find out. I'm scared to go in there. Well, at least if I get snake bit, I'll have a little bit of beef and a little bit of cheese in me. Die a happy man. Reality of it is, it's Friday. It's after 4 o'clock. By God, I'm on vacation. Well, this ain't getting that baby no shoes. That looks snaky. Even though my legs look like it, like they ain't seen the sunlight all year, that ain't hardly true. So I did have to go into the pond down there to cut the drain pipe off when we got all that rain. It's been needing doing for years. So I went in there. Oh, got something sharp. Oh, that almost got me already. Oh yeah, she's bottomed out because I'm on bottom. Woo-hoo-hoo. Oh Lord. Nah. Go ahead, laugh. All right, I can do this. You can't do it. LOGJAMMIN. That is a lot harder than it looks. Oh, I got it now. Coming this July 4th, celebration. Woo! Keep your eye out for water moccasins. Coming this July 4th, we're having a lumberjack competition. Bring your water shoes. That's embarrassing. I can't do no better than that. You really got to be on your A game. You would think having big, long boat paddle feet would help. I think they just get in the way. That's pitiful. I think subconsciously, I just got a lot of fears about what's underneath the water, and I'm scared I'm gonna fall off and something's gonna stab me. I can't do it. I just can't do it. All right. It's not completely centered, so like once it gets some momentum, it just rolls like crazy. Look at it roll. All right. All right, I'm better than this. Nope. Nope. Look at it. You can't do nothing with it. That's something gonna still roll. That's hard. My hat's off to the lumberjacks and lumber jills of the world who do that and can stay on it for more than 5 seconds. That's impossible. I need my water shoes. That's all there is to it. I'm gonna have to go get them. My little tootsies are just a little too tender. Oh my God, that was incredible, incredibly difficult.